Hello everyone, this is Thomas from Zaxcom, and today I'm here to teach you a little bit more about your Nomad mixer recorder, specifically the ZNET button on the front of the machine. The ZNET button stands for Zaxnet, and this functionality of the machine gives us the ability to control our TRX wireless systems that happen to be on the talent. In the last video, called Zaxnet Setup, you learned a little bit more about what Zaxnet is and what it offers us to make our lives easier in the field. So this ZNET button gives us the ability to change not only the frequency, but also the gain of the transmitters that are physically on the talent. This is something that no other recorder or wireless system on the market can do. You can only do this with a Nomad and the TRX wireless systems, unless if you buy an additional IFB 100 system and integrate it with your other recorders. However, it will never be this easy. So, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and turn on your Nomad. Once booted up, go ahead and press the ZNET button. Just like the Setup button, you will notice that the first time you press the ZNET button, it will default to Channel 1 Zaxnet. If you want to change it to an additional Zaxnet menu, all you have to do is push an additional number to go to that specific Zaxnet menu. As of this time, you have the ability to control up to 6 TRX wireless systems using the ZNET button on the front of the Nomad. So for this example, let's go ahead and push the timecode button, which correlates to 1, so we can reprogram the frequency of our first TRX wireless system. As a quick note, this video assumes that you already know how to pair your IFB 100 transmitter or your Nomad Zaxnet capabilities to your transceivers that you're going to physically put on talent. If you don't know how to do this, please contact us at www.zaxcom.com for more information on how to make sure that the IFB portion of your transmitters can receive the signals that we're about ready to send to it. So the first option in this menu is the ability to change the transmitter frequency on the transmitter. To do so, push the menu button in and scroll the wheel. You will notice that it happens within a split second. This is something that no other wireless system on the market has the ability to do right now without external hardware and computers connected in order to change frequencies. It is especially useful if you're in an area and you're getting wireless interference and dropouts to be able to scan on your receiver for a new frequency and then tell the transmitter to change its own transmitter frequency without even touching the unit. When you pick a frequency that you want, press the menu button to enable that transmitter frequency. The next option as of now is the ability to adjust the input trim of your transmitter. If you need to adjust the gain, do so by pushing the menu button and scrolling up or down in order to change the gain remotely. This will happen in real time and gives you the ability to adjust your input trim during a take, so you don't have to wait until after the take just to fix a problem. When you're done, press the menu button and then back out. Congratulations! You now know how to use the ZNET button on the front of the Nomad to change the frequency as well as the trim of your TRX wireless systems. Now in the future, we're going to be implementing new software that will give you more functionality and control of your Zaxnet features. So if you have any questions, please contact us at www.zaxcom.com. Once again, my name is Thomas Popp, and I'm with Zaxcom. Thanks for watching.